So guys, right now I got my head up and stuff because I'm going out in like literally a couple seconds. I'm literally editing this video right now. Right now I'm going to finish up the video. Basically what is going on is there is the start of the abandoned house, and basically I didn't film an intro on that day, so I'm filming the intro now, and I'm gonna have to film you in the outro. You also see this too, so in the same place, because I didn't film an outro either because it was a vlog at the time, but then I was like, you know, I'll make it a separate video. So yeah, enjoy this abandoned house video. If you do, please sure to smash like. Let's get 10 likes and we'll go to the downstairs. You hear me say it in a couple times in the video, but go downstairs and get 10 likes right now. So smash 10 likes and I'll see you guys downstairs. So guys, we're going in. Ben's down. I'm jumping in now. What?
I have to climb up there.
What bar, guys?
Right here.
Guys, we're in. It's really dark. Oh no, we're not. We have to climb up on the roof. Oh, Ben.
This is the back of a shop.
It's the back of a shop. You want to get out here? So we're going upstairs, guys. Ben's behind me. Going away. I'm going to try and climb up, but if we can't, we're leaving. Right. Hope you guys enjoy. Right, guys, we're in. We climbed all the way up to the top. This is scary. There's nothing really in here, mate.
What?
There's nothing really up here. This is the video. So there, I got 50, well, 14, but basically 15 likes. There's downstairs. We'll go down there after. Yo, boys, look at this. It's crazy. They're upstairs. Jump upstairs.
We've already explained this. It's actually really good.
Yo, boys, we're like on the roof. It's crazy, bro. Downstairs. Right there, mate. Stinks. Yo guys, this is the whole place. Look at that though. This place is like abandoned, but no one's been near it. It's pretty cool though. Yo guys, there's water. I'm not gonna flip it in case there's people down outside. But yeah, this place is pretty cool. I'm gonna leave in case we get in trouble. So if you guys want more to this abandoned house, you gotta smash 10 likes. And right, so we're leaving now. I like to cut off by a phone call. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this like cool abandoned place. And if you want more of these like type of videos, also smash 10 likes. And we'll come back. That door doesn't open. And we're gonna leave right now and get out of here before we get in trouble. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this abandoned place. If you want us, we go down there. If we get 10 likes, we're going down there. Screaming, maybe heard noises and all down there. So if you want 10 likes, let's do it. Let's go, boys. I got up first, you guys. Yeah, that's it. So that was awesome, guys. And this is the last room that we're exploring. Nothing in here. You're getting down first. And Jamie, I'm going down last time. We climbed down this hill and it's so slippy. We nearly died, mate. But
Jimmy, you down first and record me.
yeah, Jimmy's on his way down. It was really hard to get up here, and I'm going out that way there to get out. And yeah, but yeah, Jimmy's down.
Are you recording?
Poor Jimmy. Guys, we're getting out on the going. 10 likes and we're coming back. 10 likes right now. Let's go, guys. Don't like the back of you. Look upstairs, sorry. Right, boys. Give me that one for you. Alright, Ben's coming now. We're back out, boys. That was so scary. That was scary. Right, boys. So, guys, hope you guys did enjoy that. We kind of cut it short right at the end there, but like, you know, still got my fidget spinner. We cut it short at the end there. Basically, what happened was we heard a couple of noises, like, but it was quite creepy. Like, not like creepy, but like scary. Like, we heard a few creaks and stuff, and then we heard people talking, but we realized people talking was just, you know, out that way. See where that wee door is? See that wee gate? It was just like that way because people were walking about. That was pretty creepy though. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to smash 10 likes and we will go up. I mean downstairs or upstairs, I can't remember. I think it was downstairs, but yeah, smash 10 likes, we'll do that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more of these, please be sure to smash like and subscribe. We'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.